Natanggap mo ba bilang kaloob ng asawa mula sa Diyos si Princess Jessica upang makisama sa kanya habang buhay bilang tunay na asawa ng buong pagmamahal, kagalakang may karangalan, kalakip ang buong pananampalataya, tungkulin paggiliw at paglilingkod alinsunod sa utos ng Diyos sa banal na tali ng pag-aasawa? Yes, okay. Thank you. Jessica, Princess Jessica. Natanggap mo ba bilang kaloob na asawa mula sa Diyos si Kim upang makisama sa kanya habang buhay bilang tunay na asawa ng buong puso, mamahal, kagalakang may karangalan, kalakip buong panampalataya, tungkulin, paggiliw at paglilingkod alinsunod sa utos ng Diyos sa banal na tali ng pag-aasawa?
Opo, Pastor.
Nagpapasalamat ako sa kay God na ikaw ang nakatag niya sa akin. Sa 2010, ikaw akong pagpili kay nakita ko sa iyo habang buhay na magkakaupod-upod sa paglagas. Saan naging kita, I was so blessed, grateful, and so happy because God gave me. And I am comfortable and contented with you. I chose you dahil ikaw ang babae pinapangarap ko. Maganda, mabait, matalino, understanding and caring. Today is the beginning of the new chapter of our lives as husband and wife. I vow to love you and live in our love, always and forever. I promise to take care of you and baby Gandhi and to our future 9 days. I promise not to hurt you emotionally and physically. I promise to provide all the needs of our family. I promise to listen to you with understanding and respect. I respect you, David Global. And I promise to make sure that you are always part of my plans and dreams in life. Pangako, ikaw lang ang mamahalin ko araw-araw. I love you.
Unexpected love is still the best. 11 years ago, when I met you and became my boyfriend, I started to pray. Lord, punta, mag-iha kami. Then we graduated high school. I prayed, Lord, thank you, kanila gihapon. Then we went to college, different school. You went to Manila while I stayed here at Samar. I still prayed, Lord, punta, mas mag-iha pa kami. Then we graduated college. I started to find job, and you started to pursue your chosen career. I still continue to pray, but then I realized, iba na akong prayers. Lord, punta, siya na akong mapangasawa. And God is really good. All my prayers for 11 years are finally happening now. God is so good that at the age of 15, nahanap na kita, nasa tamang tao na ako. You are my answered prayer, my love. For 11 years, we grew together, chase our dreams together. It wasn't easy. Maraming pagkakaiba at magkakaibang paniniwala. May mga di pagkakasunduan, mga away na muntik nang mauwi sa hiwalayan. Thank you sa pag-ilog sa ugali ko, na miss ki parents ko, di rin nala nagliliya. You know what I mean? But I am so blessed that He gave me a man that chose me more than his pride and ego. A man that chose me more than his anger. And a man that chose to love and respect me. I may not say it every day, but I'm so lucky and happy to have you. As we started a new chapter of our life and decided to choose forever, as I stand here today before you, I vow to love you and only you, even on the worst days of our lives. I promise to love all the things that you love. I promise I will not be the perfect wife, but I promise to be the partner who will understand you when you lost your patience. I promise to learn how to cook, especially your favorite ulam. I promise to give my hands when you are feeling tired and weak. I promise to be your #1 supporter of all your plans in life. I promise to respect you and your decisions in life as the head of our family. I promise to stand with you no matter what. I promise to grow old with you. I promise to remain faithful, committed, and strong asawa ng seaman. I promise to raise our baby Kali and our future 9 children to a God-fearing, loving, and with respect to the people around them. I promise to priority your needs and our children's needs before mine. I promise to give you my today and my tomorrow. I promise to give my heart, my mind, my body and soul. I promise you'll be my beginning, my middle, and my end. I love you, my love, always and forever.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, nagpapasalamat ako kan God na gintagan kami niya kusog sa tanan na problema nga kaginhawaan. Nga nagpapasalamat ako sa blessings na ginhatag niya, especially si Kali. To my parents, thank you sa pagpadako sa akon sin maupay. And thank you for always supporting me. Lalo na sinindad lang sa amon kasal. To my parents-in-law, thank you sa pag-accept sa akon ng buong buo. I promise, protektahan ko si iyo anak, pareho sa iyo pagprotekta sa iya. To my relatives, thank you for the prayers and support. To Pastor Nestor and his wife, thank you sa pag-bless sa amon kasal as a husband and wife. To my ninangs and ninongs and friends, thank you for coming to celebrate with us on our most special day. To Ate Joanne and her group, thank you for designing this Engrande event. Again, thank you and enjoy the rest of the night.
Allow me and Kim to take this opportunity to express how grateful we are to everyone who are present today celebrating with us as we started the new chapter of our life. First of all, our dear God, thank you for your endless love and blessings. You are the reason why we are here today. To our parents, bagang lahat, happy birthday, Mama. I love you.
Happy birthday
To my Mama Minda and Papa Dudes, this is me today because of you. Thank you for raising me. Thank you for unconditional love, for all your sacrifices. Papa, thank you for accepting Kim. Pero nahinumdumla ako sa una na adlaw naging pakilala ko si Kim sa iyo. Ikaw, Papa, waray mo siya kakaistorya ha. Waray miski man natagi plastic na smile. You just stare at me, and I know the meaning. Diri ka pa naruyag magkatrato ako. And I can't blame you, I'm just 15 years old during that time. And ikaw man, Mama, ginka-istorya mo si Kim, pero adian mo binuhian na istorya. Magna-nurse pa si Chinchin. The first day you met Kim wasn't a warm welcome nga naintindihan namon.
Naimdan, pero thank you kay sa naglabay na panahon. Naimdan ko paano niyo diyo ging karawat si Kim. Nga naimdan niyo sa iya ang mga bagay na kay pinalangga ko siya. In fact, mas paborito na nga ni mo Papa si Kim. Na si Bunso nagsiselos na, sugad pa na Raven. Ate, si Papa kagrabe kay Kuya Kim. Diri man naging papahugas pinggan. Pag gusto maghugas pinggan ni Kuya, papahali niya, habo pahugason. Tapos pag nakakaon kita, miskan kadamo pa pagkaon ni Kuya, sigilaan alok pagkaon. Si Kuya Kim na ang paborito, which is true. And thank you, Papa, for doing that. And aside from that, love na love ni Kim imo mga luto na sarap. Thank you for treating Kim so well, just like her own. And thank you for blessing para sa among pag-uupod. Your Chin-Chin is finally getting married, and as I grow up, I witness everything in our family, the love and the hatred, the joy and the sadness, the laughter and the tears, the ups and downs, the good and the bad, the bright and the dark. I saw everything, and we were not perfect, but I'm happy and thankful that I belong to this family. I love you both, Mama and Papa. And to my Mama Lila and Daddy June, thank you for bringing Kim in this world. Thank you for raising Kim to a very loving, respectful, and responsible child. And thank you for accepting me since day one. Waray ka mo pagpaimod malain sa akon, miski kababata pa na mo nagtikang magrelasyon. Ginkarawat ako niyo. And ginparamdam na part na ako sa Beltran family. Thank you sa full support, physically, emotionally, and financially, just to make this wedding happen, miskan mga stress na kita. Special thanks to Mama Lila. Thank you from my gown sa tanan na details ng kasal, groom's mom, / wedding planner, / coordinator na din. Thank you sa effort ng pagal. Thank you sa pag-adjust, miskan iban aton original plan for this wedding. I am really grateful and I really appreciate it. And thank you po sa pagpalangga kay Kali, miski Femin Madulayan. Salamat po sa ikan sa akong kasing-kasing. We love you, Mama and Daddy June. And to our siblings, to Kuya Reggie, Ate Kat, maaramak ko sa kamo sa pinakamalibay sining nga adlaw. I really felt your excitement sa naraman niyo na mapakasal na ako. Lalo ka na, Ate Kat. Thank you sa mga advice, recommendations, and cooperation. Love you both. To Ate Kay, thank you sa tanan, dirila sa pagiging on hand mo for this wedding. But I want to take this opportunity to express how grateful I am na ada ka. Waray ak magpagpasalamat sa inyo sa pagpalangga sa amon. Misal sa nagpupurod pala kami. I know your struggle lalo na sa pag-decide kung na atong iksura. Kay maaram ka bang hindi rin ako mariagan. Salamat sa pag-adjust and sacrifices just to make us comfortable. From day one na adman mo na preggy ako till delivery day. Mawada si Kali supo sa imo kaiso. Balitaw, thank you Sisi. Thank you and I love you. At to Ate CJ and Kuya Lloyd, thank you sa effort maka-attend sa among wedding. Na-appreciate ko ura-ura. I know na may mga personal plans that kamo, pero adi kamo yan na mas pinili na makaupod kami. Thank you, Puso. And to Kuya ko, kung kasayang hindi ka nakaabot sa kasal, nakaabot sa kasal, pero thank you sa wedding gift, wakam na hingalimot. See you soon. To Raven, Pangit, thank you for the support and love and understanding despite of our differences in lot of things. Yan ako lang na-realize na kita pareho mga gusto sa buhay pero ada kagihapon para sa akon, which makes me you one of my favorite. And thank you lahat sa pagtanggap at Kuya Kimo, never ka nagpaimod malain sa kanya. Love you. And to our Kuya Tantan, I know you're one of the happiest person today. Maaramak nagtatagay ka lang sa langit. And I know you're wishing me the best wishes today. And thank you for that. But I will be the happiest, Kuya, kung adi ka kaupod namon. I still do not know the reason why you left us very soon. Kada mo ko naisip sa nawara ka. And makes me feel sorry na kay kailangan mo ka mawara para mahanap ang mga batal sa mga hapot ko. Siguro wala pa sa baby. Kali, tam-tam. Yan na. Siguro wala pa kami diditanan. Siguro di pa ako mag-desisyon mag-asawa. Your loss makes me realize so many things in life, Kuya. Di kan sa nawara ka. Kada mo bagay na naging madali nalapag-desisyonan para sa ako. And I wish hindi mo ko na san adi ka pa. You're my savior, Kuya Tan. Thank you for letting me happy. Please continue watching us from heaven. We miss you every day, but I know in my heart, ada ka pa rin. I love you, Kuya Tantan, and we miss you. And to our ninongs and ninangs, I know pandemic yan na, but you choose to be with us. Alam ko, iba sa iyo, dito ka pa sa Manila from other places. Pero nag-effort ka mo, naghatag time para lang mag-celebrate together with me. And to everyone, sa among family, relatives, friends, batchmates na adiyan na kaabot naman ni Kim, celebrating love and joy. Thank you so much. We appreciate your presence despite sa kurisan buhay yan na because of pandemic. And parang kami mga busy lang kami tanan, pero adi kami choose to celebrate with us. Thank you so much. Di ko na kamo mausa-usa.
Okay, since Kim and Princess Triska have consented to come together in holy wedlock before God and this congregation, pledging their sincere promises to each other by virtue of the authority vested upon me by the Church and by the Republic of the Philippines, I now pronounce them husband and wife in the name of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit, those whom God has joined together, let no man put asunder. King, you may now please your buksan mo na